Hey chicas, welcome to Creative Chick Corner. My name is Madi and I like to do a lot of different things like makeup, nails, crafting, baking, just a wide variety of things that have to do with like being creative with my hands. So yes, I do like to do a lot of stuff, but today in this video I will be doing two things. I will be packing my purse with you guys, and I will also be brushing my brushes with you guys. Not brushing my brushes, oh my gosh. Washing my brushes with you guys. So those two main things is what I will be focusing on in this video. And if I want to put something in extra, something like going to the store or making something at home, I don't know, just something random. If not, I will keep it simple and have those two things in my video. So hopefully you guys like it, and comment down below what you want to see in the future. And also like this video, subscribe, and share with a friend. Let's get started with packing my purse. Okay, so currently the purse that I am using and I've been using for about a month or so has been this beautiful purse. So she has these really pretty sequins on the front of the purse, and it's like a purplish lavender pink toned, and it's like reflected to different colors depending on the sun or the light that's hitting it. And it says the tote bag. And what you're thinking, is this a real tote bag? No, this is not a real tote bag. This is actually from Temu. So I was on Temu a few months ago and I saw this purse and I just fell in love with it because of the color, the size, and just how glittery it is. Because pretty much when I saw this, I was like, oh, this is so me. So I had to get it, and it was a really nice price. I don't think it was more than $25. So it was a really good price. I had to get it, and when I got it, I was like, this is really nice, really good quality, especially for $25. Free shipping, and the inside, I'll show you guys. So this is the inside. It's black inside. It does have a nice little like pocket. Not sure if you really can see it, but there's a little pocket that it's very nifty for putting pads and stuff like that. So I did really get some good use out of this so far, and I will be using it again in the future. But for now, I do want to change it out because I'm just throwing stuff in there. I'm not being as organized as I was the first few weeks. So yes, I do need to change my purse, update my stuff that I have. And it's a really nice purse. I do recommend you guys get it if you are interested in it. It's on Temu. It's like $25, and they do have a wide variety of colors. She is really nice. She also has the strap here. It's not the greatest. It's very thin and very cheap, but hey, for $25 you can't go wrong. And the only thing that I wasn't liking, and I will try to clean off, is here. I think when I put it like on maybe my pants, it rubs on my pants or the seats or something, and then it's just getting colored on. But I will try to clean it off, and then I'll update you guys if it does come off, or if it's just because of the cheap fabric. It's not fabric, but it's like a faux type of leather. So that's a good purse, but yeah, it has its little problems, but it's only $25. So the purse that I will be going to pack at the moment with you guys, and I'll be using it for a few months, is this one by Betsey Johnson. I do love Betsey Johnson purses. I've always loved her purses. She has so many really pretty purses and different varieties of colors, shapes, sizes, just different designs on them. So I do love her purses, and I do have a lot of them. I said I have a few, but I do have a lot of purses of hers. But I will be using this one. It is really good quality, especially for her prices. I don't think they pretty much start at anywhere from $20 to like $55, depending on where you get it from. And if you do want a really nice purse, I don't think they're more than $100, depending on where you get it from. This purse is beautiful. I have used it a few times. I do love the size of it, and it's very good leather. It's not like genuine high-class leather, but it is very good, and it has not worn off on me at the moment. I do also take care of my purses, but yes, it does have this pocket in the middle. I never really use these pockets. I really should, but I'll be using this one that I got from Dollar Tree. This one says wake up and makeup. I really do love this one, and it's perfect for putting your brushes or lip glosses and stuff like that. I will be using just lip glosses inside of it because I do not want to carry makeup brushes and all of that. So I will be also using this plain, simple black makeup bag. And yeah, I got this for 50 cents, it says. I may be at a garage sale or something, but it is very big once you fill it up. Like, look at that. So I'll be using this for my creams, maybe some gum, just stuff that I don't want to be having in the purse, just running around, or not running around, but like moving around in the purse. I was using these for the tote off-brand kind of cheap bag, but I will be changing them out because they aren't as big as I want them to be, because I will be filling this up with everything that's in here. So yes, if there's anything else, then I will let you guys know in the video that I'll be packing this with you guys. But for now, let's get to packing. So we're done with packing my purse, and I hope you guys liked how it turned out. I really did love it. It's very organized, and I love that everything is just in its place, not all over the place. And then I did update some things that I needed in the purse. So now we're off to going to wash my brushes. I do have a lot of dirty brushes. I haven't washed my brushes in over a month or two, and yeah, I always say I'm going to do it more frequently, but I never do. Because I'm like, that's not important today. We'll just do it a different day. And yeah, a month passes by, a month and a half, 2 months. I'm like, oh, I need to wash that because, yeah, I need to take care of my skin. And it's very important for you to wash your brushes. Let's get to washing my brushes. I do have a lot of them, so let's get to it. And now that we have all my clean brushes, now I can actually do my makeup more frequently. And I will try to put them, like the dirty ones, aside once I use them a couple times, and then I'll just wash them as I go. That's what I always say, but let's try to do that at this time, okay? Let's try. Just stop. Alright, chicas. Hopefully you liked this video of me just packing my purse, cleaning my brushes, and whatever else I fit into this video. So if you guys have any ideas or comments of what you'd like to see next in my video, comment down below. I'll see you guys in my next video. So have a good one. Bye.